Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about Cardano and the fact that I firmly believe that Cardano has the strong possibility to reach $5 in the next month, if not sooner. We have the hard deadline of smart contracts being implemented into Cardano on September 12th. Firmly believe that we are going to see a run up to that. We could see that $4 or $5 price point by then. My only concern is that we could see a sell-off as well, being an all-time high and all that kind of stuff. We're going to talk about all that. We're also going to look at a piece of content that looks at the technical kind of architecture and underpinnings of some of this content that I've been telling you about, some of these things I've been saying. Okay, so we're going to cover all that in this video. As always, I have my Patreon group over here. Check it out if you're interested. It's $20 to join at the Inner Circle level. You can join and cancel at any time. If you want help, if you want some guidance with your portfolio, you'd get direct access to me, and I can give you some portfolio guidance help if you so choose. I talk about this in every video because I actually give a damn about you guys. I care about my audience. I care about my subscribers, and I care about those people that want or need help. If that's not you, that's cool. I get it, okay? But there are a lot of people out there that do, and we got a lot of new crypto investors coming in, and I want to help those that need and want the help. You get access to my inner circle portfolio. You see exactly what I'm buying, what I'm holding, things of that nature, and I wrap a Discord group around all of it. You can join and cancel at any time. And here's what I would say. Quite honestly, at $20, that's less than what it costs you to go out and eat one time in a month. So how much are you willing to invest in kind of your crypto future, things like that, and maybe getting some help and not being alone in this journey? All right, links are in the description below. Check it out. Okay, so here's where we're at with Cardano. Cardano is up 2%. All right, right here at 283, looking really, really, really good. Okay, I really like what I'm seeing here. From a price standpoint, volume is down a little bit. That's okay. Market cap $90 billion and moving up nicely. Obviously, solidly ranked number 3. In the last 24 hours, we have it a high of 285. Now let's look at 1 year low high. Our all-time high in the last year has been $2.97. Okay, so we are pretty close to that right here, right now. I get asked this all the time. Austin, am I too late to the Cardano ADA party? And my response is a very simple one. If you are looking at it from a long-term standpoint and you believe in the long-term viability of Cardano, then absolutely not, right? Not investment advice. Again, by the way, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Didn't give you that disclaimer. Because you have to look at it that way. I mean, at 283, if it goes to what is that, 560? Don't do math in public. If it goes to 560, you've doubled your investment. That's how I look at it, right? And what was the opening thing I said? I said that I firmly believe that Cardano will get to $5. That's really what the thumbnail said for this video. I truly believe that. That's not clickbait. I think that that's a very doable thing for Cardano to hit $5 soon. It could hit it by September 12th. This smart contract thing is a big, big, big deal. And let me show you this. The overall market outside, right? I mean, Ethereum's making a run because it passed its all-time, high of 3,500, and that was a psychological barrier, things like that. I mean, that's pretty cool. But what we don't have is we don't have kind of the same thing from Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not moving as much. If we get a bull run, which we will, from Bitcoin and Ethereum, Cardano's going to raise off of that alone, outside of its own catalyst, outside of what specifically are Cardano catalysts, right? And we know that Cardano has the smart contract thing. I talked about it in a video the other day. The sheer amount of projects, new projects being built on the Cardano blockchain have gone up by 10 to 20x. 10 to 20x from just May of 2021 to August of 2021. That is a massive amount of pent-up demand that, quite frankly, I think was waiting on smart contracts to become real. They are real. They go live September 12th. Being dramatic, right? But that's what you really need to understand. You need to understand all of the kind of the factors that are in play for Cardano and the things that are all at work. You've got a massive amount of new contracts. Oh, well, you got smart contracts coming in, massive amount of new projects. There it is. And all of those things are playing into this. Okay, so let's look at this kind of technical, this TA discussion that we want to look at, technical analysis. Cardano faces a hurdle before all-time highs. Okay? This article was written yesterday, I believe. Okay, So key takeaways, it's endured a week-long consolidation period. I would agree. 298 resistance level has managed to keep ADA from resuming its uptrend. So that 298, $2.98 is a key resistance level. Remember, our all-time high in the last year has been 297. Okay. It's not shocking that 298 is the next major resistance level that from a bullish run standpoint, we need to get some pretty significant candlesticks moving towards that. Okay. Transaction history shows stable support favoring the bulls. All that really means is the bulls are being favored in this equation, and it looks like, yes, we can get past that 298 resistance level. Okay. So Cardano must overcome resistance, what I just said. So let's see. Oh, it did surge to its all-time high on August 23rd. I didn't know it was actually August 23rd. I haven't looked at it recently. I don't look at it every day. And by the way, I own August. And secondly, I own August. God. I own Cardano. Ugh. I'm not being paid by anybody at Cardano to make this video, by the way. Okay. So its all-time high was 290, 297, 298 set on August 23rd. It's been making a series of higher lows while the 298 resistance level has prevented it from advancing further. Not shocking, okay? Because it also has to have, I can't talk today. It also has to have the overall support of the entire crypto market moving in a significant positive direction up. And we have not had that in the last 2 weeks, okay? And I would say that early September may not be that as well from a broad market support standpoint is what I'm saying. But Cardano, with the September 12th deadline of smart contracts going in, Cardano is going to run on its own. It's just a matter of how much, how far, and how long. And do we see a sell-off? Okay, because that's something that also is addressed in this. So we have an ascending triangle forming on ADA's 4-hour chart. Good stuff. That key resistance level is 298. Bear with me, I'm looking for something. Transaction history shows that as long as the demand barrier that extends from 274 to 282, we're trading in 282 right now, holds, the odds will favor the bulls into the blocks in and out of the money around price. Model shows no significant supply barrier ahead of Cardano that will prevent it from achieving its upside potential. So point blank, we definitely have a very favorable forecast to get to that 298. However, listen to this. Still, the third largest crypto by market cap needs to continue trading above the 274 to 282 range to prevent 91,500 addresses from selling the 2.4 billion ADA they required around this price level. So, what does that mean? It means that when ADA was selling at this level, there was 91,500 new holder addresses that came in at that level, and we don't want them to sell off. We want them to hold, right? Hey, stay with us because Cardano's hey holders, stay with us because Cardano's going to do some really, really cool stuff, so don't sell off. They acquired 2.5, excuse me, I can't read. They acquired 2.4 billion ADA they acquired at that level. All right. So let's wrap it up there. I do think that we got a shot at $5 maybe by September 12th. I think worst case by the end of the month because I think it could get to 4 if not maybe a little bit higher and maybe 5 off of this September 12th thing. But we also, to get to those levels, we do need some help from the overall market moving with us, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the overall market capitalization moving up as well. But there is a strong possibility that this one key event of September 12th, September 1-2, for Cardano smart contract implementation, I can't talk today, could move it to $4 or $5 by itself. All right, I'll see you later. Take it easy.